Today we are going to learn two entry models that you can add to your trading style to help you increase your win rate and also predict the direction. You know what we are expected to do as a trader is to predict the market direction, and the process of doing that in the right way, we make money from it. But most people are found in the case that they can predict the market where it is going, but how to enter is the problem. This video will be a stepping stone for you to know your entry models for you to add to your trading style. Now we're going to be using example number 1 and example number 2 here. That is a bearish move and a bullish move. Okay, so the thing is, you can see how price is dropping to the downside. That is, anytime price is dropping and we want to catch a buy trade, how do you catch that buy trade? From here, we're going to go to the live example. Then I'll show you guys how I was able to catch a trade, flip smaller account using the same steps. So now we have a downtrend, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, like what you are seeing here. So if price gets into your key level, like your key zone somewhere around here, so you can see the bearish momentum, how price was dropping. So anytime price is dropping, we need to look at the candle that is forming. We have this strong momentum candle, a strong momentum candle, another strong momentum candle, and now this green candle came all the way up, covered this candle right here on this time frame. Okay, but before then, what happened before price reacted the way it did? This low was taken like this, that is a liquidity sweep down here. If we have this low was taken, let me show you guys here before we come to the bearish. We have this low cleared here. Okay, so most of the time you need to see price clear the low, and whatever happening here, when you go to the smaller time frame, it is something like this push. Okay, so we have this low clear here. So the current low should lead to the break of the previous low like this one, and you look to take your buy from there, and price will come down like this, and you take your entry from here to the outside. So anything that is happening here is what you are seeing here in the big picture, and everything happening here in the smaller picture. Okay, so you need to make sure that it is happening, that it has happened already before you hop on a trade. This you are seeing here is what we call the bullish engulfing candlestick. All right, and when you scale down to the smaller time frame, this is what happened in the smaller time frame before price formed this strong candle. Okay, so make sure that it is happening on your key level, that is your key zone, before you look to take your buy trade from there. All right, so you can add this to your trading style or your style of trading. That is, you want to see price reach the level, clear the previous low, and then push up. And when you scale down to the small time frame, you're going to see a market structure shift like what you're seeing here, something like this. This is a high, a low, a high, a low. Then you take a trade from here to the upside. Okay, so this is for a bearish move to an upside. Okay, a bearish move to an upside. Let's come to this example, and this example is from a bullish move to a downtrend. So the same principle should be applied here. You can see this candlestick that you are seeing here is what we call a hirami, that is a mother and son. It's not every time that you're going to see a bullish engulfing candle. This is what it means. We have this strong candle here pushing up, and all of a sudden we have a wick through from here to the upside. Okay, taking the high of this one. That is what you always want to see. You want to see that price take the high of the previous candle. Okay, so it should be something like this: up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, price should take the high of the previous one, this one. Price should take the high of this one to the upside, and they come to the downside. And anytime we have a high and a low, we are expecting a high, then we take the trade from the high to the downside. Okay, so this thing will happen in a smaller time frame before this candle will form. That is where you should look to take yourself. So this is best for you to time your entries and know the specific candlestick you are taking the trade on, and your stop loss should be below or above that candlestick that is making you take that trade right here. Then we target 1:2 or 1:3. So now let's go to the live example, and let me show you what I mean right here. Now to the live example, let's see whether we can identify the same thing that we talk about in the video right here. Okay, now you can see how price was behaving from here to the downside. We were in a downtrend, and price got here, started pushing from here to the upside. And before price started the push, what happened here? We saw price created this bearish engulfing here. You can see this one, price didn't take the high of the previous candle. Instead, it just formed the high here, and price started tanking to the downside. We have a high here, price dropped, created a low here, and another low here. There was a push up, a retracement, a push up, and price got here. Okay, so this is what I was talking about in order for you to find your entry. Now where price comes into the key level. This is actually a key level from a big picture. When you move to the daily time frame, we are in the 4-hour time frame. All right, so this is the daily time frame key level right here. Let me mark it with these two here. The moment price reacts to this key level, what you are looking for is your entry. Okay, so based on the entry criteria or the model that I just showed you, you are looking to take your trade based on them. So we had a push from the high here, a downside, and we have this low. This was the previous low here. This was the previous low. Let me move it out so that you guys can see it properly. So this was the previous low here. We have a previous low. Price cleared the previous low here and push up. We had a consolidation here. This should be an indication for you that price wants to continue moving to the upside or reverse from downtrend to an uptrend. So an entry should be taken when this bullish engulfing candle that we talk about just happened. We see the bullish engulfing candle we talk about right now. You see it is here. So you take your trade based on that candle. The stop loss should be below the candle. Then you target 1:2 or 1:3, and that will be a perfect trade entry right there. Okay, so the same thing happened somewhere around here. If we are using this area as our key level like this, that is a place that price has been reacting to multiple times. Then let's see whether we can find another trade around that place. Yes, we could have gotten another trade around that place as well. We have price created equal low here, push up, push down, another push up, and then push down right here, and form this hammer here. So let me show you. Sometimes anytime you see a mother and son, that is a pyramid candle, a candle like this, in the big picture, okay, when you go to the smaller time frame, it is actually a hammer candle, okay, because this one will cancel this one, okay, this price here, this one, okay, this candle here will cancel the top here, and it will left with the wick at the top like this. Okay, that is for a bearish move, and the same thing for a bullish move, something like this and a low like this. The down one will cancel the down one like this, and it will remain with the top one like this, and you are going to see a hammer candle right there. Okay, so we are seeing the same hammer candle down below at this place. So let me bring this one here for you guys to see. And you are going to see a hammer candle right there, just like what you are seeing here. You're going to see a hammer candle like this, just like what you are seeing here, okay? So you take your trade based on the entry confirmation that we talk about right there, somewhere here. Stop loss will be here, and you target 1:2 or 1:3, okay? So guys, subscribe to the channel. This is a simple entry model that you can add to your trading style. Subscribe to the channel and see you in my next video.